Alright, so for this video I'm going to be showing the various different Prusik knots that we know and use. So going over your standard Prusik, your French Prusik, the Klemheist Prusik, or not entirely sure on that one. And the Munter-Mariner hitch. Yeah. Alright, so first up I'm going to be showing how to do the standard or classic Prusik. This is used for anything from safety lines to ascending the rope. Yeah, so how to do this one? I like to use medium length Prusik, so I think that's about a 60 centimetre. And then for this it is, I like personally to have the knot here, but different people will teach you different things. And then you pass it through there, around the rope. Once, and then twice, and then 3 times. And then pull it all tight, make it all neat. And voila, like that. And then as you can see, you can load it and it doesn't go anywhere. And then you can unweight it and then slide it along like that. So that's your standard Prusik. Now, the next one is called the French Prusik. This is a bit different, as you actually go from your leg loop. Your beaner is down here, and you start here, clipping this, clip the knot at the beaner so it's out of the way, and then wrap the rope once, twice, 3, 4 is a minimum, and then back down to the carabiner. Now with this Prusik is good for backing up your belay device. So if you've got a tube, your ATC or another form of tubular device here. In fact, I'll show you quickly. So if you thread your device above the knot like this, and then that, just slide, you keep a hand here sliding it along, but if you let go, here's one more wrap for this one. And yeah, you can wrap it as many times as you need depending on the length of the Prusik. There, see? Lock off.
I'll just also add from behind the camera, this is a great Prusik to use as a progress capture as well.
Yes, for hauling, yeah. This. Okay, cool. So that is the French Prusik. And the next one we will do is called the Klemheist Prusik. So this one's a little bit different. So again, keeping the knot out of the way, we start up here with the knot. Actually, no, sorry, yeah. Keeping the knot out of the way like this, and then get a bite again, we wrap the rope once, twice, 3, and again this is 4 times. And then we pass this end through here, right? And then pull that nice and tight, all neat. And then that'll pull down, and it won't, and it'll jam on the rope, and it won't move. And again, this one is used. This is another one used for ascending the rope. Shift that around a bit more so that the knot isn't sitting at the beaner quite like that. So yeah, this one is used more for ascending the rope rather than descending. So you can step up and push it up like that. Cool. And now the last one we will show you is used in varying different scenarios, but mainly for bypassing the knot in a vertical rescue, or just in a VR scenario, in a vertical rescue scenario, or if you've simply got a knot in your rope. Okay. For this one,
and just to add that last Prusik can also be done with a short sling, if you have one. It's one of the few ones that a sling can also work well for as well. Most of these you definitely need actual Prusik cord, otherwise it won't catch the rope. That's the only one that a sling can also be used for.
Yeah, correct. Now this one, the Munter Mariner, starts off with a classic Prusik up here. So again, knot here, once, twice, and then 3 times around the rope. Again, make it nice and tidy. Pull it tight, yep, there we go. And then you come back to the beaner on your harness. And then you do a Munter hitch, which is around the rope, around the back of the rope, like that, back through the beaner, like that. And then from here, you wrap up the Prusik, come back up the Prusik like this, all the way up, all the way, until you run out of Prusik. Now here you can tuck it through like that, and it will hold. However, if you have a spare beaner on you, it is good to just put a beaner through there. That way there's no chance of it slipping through and coming undone. And yeah, so again, this one is used in bypassing the knot to allow you to slowly control yourself past the knot to your next, onto your device below the knot. So again, you unwrap it like this, and then you let the Munter Mariner slowly out until you sit on your device. And that's all. So yeah, that's all. Again, please like, comment, subscribe, all greatly appreciated. And of course, we are not instructors. We're not to that qualification. So again, don't take this as proper training. This is just, a bit of a helpful guide, maybe to help you with that training. If you want to do the proper courses, we'll link below various companies that we support and did our training through. Cool. That's all.